who's there? Christmas is approaching. Show your face.
So all you have to do now is, but if you are new to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. I mean, smash the like button, you get me? Don't forget to share the link to your friends and also subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's get back to why you are watching this video. Let's all go to our pianos now. If you are not a piano player, don't worry, you can follow us throughout the video.
Thank you for watching this video with me. Catch you in my subsequent videos. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye.